Smartphones and tablets are a way of life for most of us, and there are apps aplenty to help make your life easier, especially during tax time. The tax apps are getting better every year. For example, most of your major tax prep companies now have apps that allow you to prepare a simple return right on your cell phone. There are also apps, though, that will help you get organized so when tax time comes, you'll be ready. Sort out receipts and expenses with apps like Shoeboxed or Expensify. Each has a way to scan receipts, archive, and classify them for use later. Track mileage with an app such as Free Mile IQ, which automatically records every car trip you take and lets you classify them as business or personal. And keep track of your donations with I Donated It. Lets you take pictures of what you donated, records when and where you donated it, and even calculates the value. Of course, unless you've been using these organizational apps all year, they're not going to help you with this year's taxes. Here, however, are a couple of apps that might. TaxSoftware.com's 4868 app is going to let you fill out an IRS Form 4868. That's the form to file an extension to file your return. And the IRS has a free app to answer questions and keep tabs on your return. It's called IRS To Go. Bottom line, the right app can make your life a lot easier. Want to see a complete list with links? Go to MoneyTalksNews.com and just do a search for Tax Hacks 2018. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson.